present good news that all the participants played fair and did their best. So right now, I'm going to show you some slides. Sarah? And in no time, you will hear the winner announcement. If you win, celebrate it. And if you lose, there are many years to come and fight harder. And I would like to also thank you for all the sponsorships, Bank Sumsel Bubble, Telkomsel, Bantex, and media partners, our BTV and B Radio, for your support and also assistance. So now don't forget to cherish every result of your competition with us, and see you again next year and be the next champion. Have a nice day, guys.
Thank you, Ms. Chita, for the report. Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is the greetings from the Vice Rector of Universitas Bina Darma, Mr. M. Isman Herdiansyah, STMM, PhD, and to close the 9th Bina Darma Rector's Work, please welcome.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Can all of you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir. You're audible clearly.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are gathered again here in the Zoom meeting with the opportunity to thank and of course our health. Thank you for all. Our closing ceremony of the 9th Bina Darma Rector Trophy 2021. We praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, give us the good chance to have activity, and then for our tournaments. So let's be grateful for the blessing so that everything becomes a good grace. In this time, it is honor for me to welcome the head of LDC Region 2, the head of Dinas Pendidikan Kota Palembang, also the representative of the Language Center UBD, all our sponsor, Bank Sumsel Bubble, PT Telkomsel, also Bantex, who have already support our events, and thank you very much for the kinds. Our honored attendants, participants, judges, committee. In these times, I represent Rector due to the other activity of our Rector. So I feel honored to see you again after finishing your competitions. In these events on 2021, we have participants for very high schools from many cities and provinces, such as from Yogyakarta, from Makassar, also the participant from Jakarta, Lampung, Bengkulu, Manado, and some other cities, which I cannot mention one by one. I'm glad to see and to hear all the participants around the regions in Indonesia. It shows that the Bina Darma Rector Trophy is as well known, and evaluated could improve our English, and especially on debate, storytelling, speech, and spelling, which are all the aspects on these competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, as the host of these annual national competitions, we feel very honored and proud to have you all. After finishing the competitions with full efforts, I hope you are proud with whatever the result. All of us is the winner, but still 1, 2, and 3 will be the highest ranking number. Congratulations actually to all of you all, even you are believe there will be a brighter future ahead. Do not give up and always try to do your best. And for the winner in every field, once again, I congratulations. And without any other word to say, I will officially close our events, the 9th Bina Darma Rector Trophy 2021. Create your moment and steal the spotlight. And see you again in the next Bina Darma Rector Trophy on 2022. Please come again and then join the competitions, and it will be bigger and bigger. Let us say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin, because we have finished everything smoothly, and from the name of Allah, I officially close Bina Darma Rector Trophy 2021. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you very much, Mr. M. Izman Herdiansyah, STMM PhD, for an inspiring speech. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind you that this event is supported by Universitas Bina Darma. We would also like to express our gratitude to Bank Sumsel Bubble, Telkomsel, Bantex for sponsoring today's event, and our media partners, BTV and B Radio. Now we have come to the most exciting moment. We will soon announce the winner of each field competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call Ms. Chita Hikmayanti MPD to open the winner announcements. The floor is yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Anis. So right now, I'm going to invite some of the prepared committee to announce the winner of the competitions this year. So the 9th Bina Darma Rector's Trophy would like to firstly thanks to all the participants from debate, 24 teams for debate competition, 32 participants for speech, and 23 participants for storytelling, and the last one is 21 participants for spelling bee. And I would like to also thanks to all the judges that have been cooperate and help assist our competition this year for debate. Thank you to Rizky Akbar Lubis from UGM, Randy Utomo from Presiden University, Ewin Mardani from UBD, Andre Sulistyo Chandra from BINUS as the tab director, Jagat Al-Ula from Universitas Mataram, Nabila Talita from UGM, Leonardo Universitas Tanjung Pura, and Dimas Rizky Mulia from Universitas Brawijaya, Ramade Rossi from Universitas Brawijaya, and also Astri Agustina. Thank you, all the judges. Thank you for your assistance. So now, I would like to also thanks to the judges from storytelling, Gigi Widi and Patricia Samantha. Thank you very much. And Rinaka Gustafano and Dylan Huber for speech competition, and spelling bee for Dia Ayu Megantari and Susetio Putri. all the judges, thank you very much for all your assistance and your support. Hopefully that you will be glad if we re-invited you for the next Bina Darma Rector's Trophy event. And I would like to also thank you to all our sponsorships, Telkomsel, Bantex, and Bank Sumsel Babel for making these events big and happen. So right now, I want you to pay attention to all the participants from spelling bee competition, and I would like to invite one of the committee to announce the winner for spelling bee competition. Please.
Okay, hello, I'm Adenin Anzar. I'm the committee who will announce the winner from spelling bee. Second runner-up will goes to Muhammad Dastin Hazildo from Brawijaya Smart School. First runner-ups goes to M. Davin Arda Muzaffar. And for the champions will goes to Muhammad Fakri Andraya from Universitas Lampung. Congratulations to all the winner. And now will announcement from storytelling.
Hello, my name is Afinisal Sabila from Storytelling. I would like to announce the winner of Storytelling right now. So, the second runner-up is Kaisha Firoz Claudia Moza from 38 Jakarta High School. And the first runner-up is Adisina Shamuhara from Universitas Negeri Lampung. And the champion is Bagas Maulana from Universitas Teknorat Indonesia. And also we have the best costume goes to Marwan Shakir from Polytechnic Pariwisata Palembang. Congratulations for the winner. And we would like to announce first speech.
Hello, my name is Jujun and I will announce the winner of speech competition. For the second runner-up, the winner is Rifki Saputra from Universitas. And the first runner-up, Devka Fari Khairunas from LSP Administration and Business Institute, Jakarta. And the champion is Arya Bati Azuro from SMA.
All right, hello everyone. So I will going to announce the best speaker of high school and also in university, and also the winner of high school and university. But before that, me representing the education core of the debate field would like to say thank you to all the teams, all the debaters who work really hard and also who were being punctual in the competition, in which everything ran well and also it was smooth with very minimum struggles. And also, yeah, I'm very happy it was running well. So yeah, let's go to the best speaker of the debate competition. And next slide. Ooh, who is the best speaker? And the best speaker of high school category. The first one goes to M. Tarek Khalillah from SMA N1 Palembang. Congratulations. And also, I think that is a co-first best speaker. It means that they all have the same speaker score. The next first best speaker goes to Muhammad Zaki from SMA N1 Palembang. And the last co-first best speaker goes to Falkahi Akbar Azaki from SMA N2 Bengkulu. Yay, congratulations to all co-first best speaker from high school. And then we proceed to the best speaker of Varsity. And the best speaker of Varsity category goes to Rahel Amadea from UGM. Congratulations. The second best speaker goes to Muhammad Farhan, also from UGM. Next, the third best speaker goes to Yani Alrizki from Universitas Bina Darma. Okay. All right. And next is the fourth best speaker. It goes to, there are two. The first one is Celine Reina Wisan from Atmajaya and also Ken Samuel Purwanto from Atmajaya. Congratulations. All right, this is the one that we are waiting for the most, and who will going to win? Let's see. Okay, the first one is the winner for high school category. With the motion, this house would prosecute acts. There is info slide, but it was very long. We don't need to reread that in here. Announcement, and there are 4 teams that were debating yesterday in the grand final of high school category. Acting as opening government, there is Satu Palembang Fahira and Iza. As opening opposition, Dua Bengkulu. In closing government, Satu Palembang Ari and Zaki. And also in closing opposition, we have Satu Palembang Zikri and Tarek. With interesting and also complex debate, it was decided that the third runner-up goes to Satu Palembang Zikri and Tarek. All right, and then the second runner-up goes to Dua Bengkulu. Yay, and then the first runner-up, it goes to Satu Palembang Fahira and Iza. And our grand champion, who is that? Jeng Jeng Jeng. Everyone already know, I think. Satu Palembang Ari and Zaki, congratulations. And then now we are going to announce.
Gabut kayaknya ya. Panggil teman kamu cepet lah nanti kita mulai.
Your sound, could you mute yourself? Thank you so much. And now we are going to announce the winner of debate competition in the varsity level or the varsity field. Next slide. Debating under the motion, this house regrets the human capacity for self-deception. There are 4 teams that are debating. We have opening government, which is Universitas Bina Darma, opening opposition, UMY. In closing government, we have Unika Atmajaya Jakarta, and in CO, we have UGM. and with the consensus and also under a lot of considerations with all the 4 judges in that round that were adjudicating. We have found all the winners from 1 to 4. And let's go to the third runner-up. And it goes to UMY. All right. And the second runner-up goes to Universitas Bina Darma. Okay, congratulations. And the first runner-up goes to Unika Atmajaya Jakarta. Congratulations. And the champion for the varsity level of debate competition goes to UGM. All right, we have already announced all the winner of each competition. Now I give the chance back to the master of ceremony. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to all the announcing committees. Congratulations to all the winners from all the competitions. Don't forget to join with us again for the next year Bina Darma Rector's Trophy with more challenging experience. Thank you, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we come to the end of the event, we would like to invite Adenin Anzar to lead the prayer. The floor is yours.
Okay, everyone, let's us pray to God for our grateful that this event complete successfully. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Hamdan syakirin, hamdan naimin, hamdan yuafin wa ma fi umazika. Ya Rabbana lakal hamdu kama yanbaghi li jalali wajhikal karim azimi sultanik. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Dear Lord, thank you for loving all of us with good health so we can did the event in great spirit. Few days ago is a great learning experience for all of us. Please make the things that we know how to be useful and something we will remember and implement in daily life. You have great power to make the impossible happen. Please allow us to be more understanding of the lesson even from before. Thank you for allowing us to learn something new and make us richer with information. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana wa fil akhirati hasana wa qina azabannar. Subhana rabbika izzati amma yasifun wassalamun alal mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Pray finish.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the end of the event. We would like to thank you for all the participants who have done their best, the judges and committees who have made this event a success. And also congratulations to all the champions. We hope this event will be a useful experience to all the participants. And please forgive us for our shortcomings. Thank you for your participations in the 9th Bina Darma Rector's Trophy and see you next year. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Recording stopped.